Good morning. It's David Gordon in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm here in the third part of a series on recorded statements. We're talking about injuries. You've been injured at work. You've been injured in a car accident. You've been injured in a department store. Whatever the situation, the insurance adjuster now wants to take your recorded statement. I'm going to give you 3 rules for giving that recorded statement. Rule number 1, be courteous. Don't say anything that you might be sorry for later. Remember, this conversation, this interview is being recorded. Don't call the adjuster any names. Don't use any vulgar language. It may come back to bite you later. Remember, too, that this adjuster has the checkbook. This adjuster is going to be making a decision about whether you get paid and how much you get paid. So be courteous. Develop a good relationship at the outset with the adjuster as best you can, keeping in mind that that adjuster is not your friend and that adjuster is not on your side. Rule number 2, be brief. You know, a way I like to illustrate this is like this. If an adjuster asks you, do you know what time the accident happened? That's a yes or a no question. Listen carefully to the question, answer it, and stop. If she wants to know what time the accident happened, she'll have to ask you another question. In other words, first she says, do you know what time the accident happened? The answer is yes or no, and then she might say, well, what time did it happen? And you can answer the question. Be brief. Number 3, don't guess. If you don't know the answer to a question, don't feel like you must give an answer. Just say, I don't know. It's also okay to say, I don't remember. There may be things that were fresh on your mind right after the accident, but now you're not sure. Don't guess. Don't guess at times. Don't guess at distances. Don't guess at speeds. These things will get you in trouble later. When you say that an event happened at 3 in the afternoon, and then it turns out that the accident happened at 5 in the evening, it starts to look bad for you. You make 2 of those mistakes, that is missing a factual question, a factual answer by some significant margin, and your entire testimony is now in doubt. So don't guess. All right, I've given you 3 rules. Be courteous, be brief, don't guess. These things will help you when you must give that recorded statement to the insurance company. All right, if you've been hurt in an accident of any type, give us a call. That's David Gordon in Memphis, Tennessee. See if we can help you. Until next time.